Hello, my name is Kudum. I am an engineer and aviation professional. I do a lot of hobby projects like making drones, making prototypes. I also very much interested in the field of aviation engineering. So I've taken this machine for 3D printing of my designs for my hobby parts. This machine is Accucraft i250 Plus. This is a fantastic machine. I have been using it for almost 6 months and I have made multiple parts out of this machine. The dimensional tolerances of these parts is very clean and this machine runs hassle-free without giving any problem for printing. So printing is really very easy. Even a child can print using these machines. So as an engineer, I found this a very useful tool and I like this machine. So if you are looking for a 3D printer, you can go ahead for this particular machine. And also this machine is like made in India. So I would highly recommend to go for this particular machine for its build quality and the kind of products it is making. So you can see the different products that I have made out of this machine and see how clean the build is. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.